Hello, good morning, and today we are going to open our Sizzix Sidekick, the new additional family member of Sizzix. Okay, so we are going to open our Sizzix. I'm using our Tim Holtz scissor. Okay, so what you're gonna get in your Sizzix cutting machine is a sidekick machine, a pair of cutting pad, the instruction booklet, the embossing pad, the embossing folder, and your framelits, thinlits, and the stamps. Okay, and the machine goes right here. Dun, 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 dun. So this is the Sizzix Sidekick. Wow, so tiny. Okay, this one is your lever. So when you're cutting, it goes like this. It's moving, but when you put your cleaver in a flat surface and then sew, and now is stable. So you can now roll your Sizzix Sidekick. So this is it. This is what you're gonna need. You're gonna get from your Sizzix Sidekick. So thank you for watching. Bye.